Now there's a special version of the copy command which is called copy by array. And let me just show you how that's done. So I'll just create a column over here, for example. And after I create the column, I just select it and I right click and I say, so first of all, these distances are 6 meters like that and 6 meters like that. So I just select the column, say copy, and inside there's copy by array. And when I do that, I get this little input box and it says in the X direction, I want to do 4 by 6,000. You can vary these numbers. They don't have to be the same. You can say 6,000 space 3,500 space 10,000 or whatever. So in the X direction, you can give a spacing. And in the Y direction, it's 4 by 6,000 as well. And in the Z direction, it's 2 by 5,000. So this is the height of the column is 5,000. So 2 more of 5,000. So when I do that, if I say copy, immediately I get my full array of columns. Let me just close that. You can see that you get these columns copied in the X direction, in the Y direction, and also in the Z direction like that. Now, once I'm done with that, I can now zoom in and create a beam, for example, over here between those 2 points. Select the beam, just like I did the column. Right click, go to the copy array command. Just leave these settings as they are. Actually, they need a little tweaking, but there's no need to. Just say copy. And when you do that, you see that the beams are created, but there's an extra row of beams, which you can just go and then select and delete very easily. And then you can come to this side and create this beam from here to here and zoom out a bit, right click, copy special array, just leave the settings as they are, say copy, and this time the extra beam set will be on the back side, which you can then easily just select and delete. You could have modified the distances as well, obviously, just showing that this could be even faster. So this basically allows you to quickly create an array. Obviously, this command can be used with all other objects as well. It doesn't only have to be the beams and columns. You can copy plates in the form of an array. You can copy bolts in the form of an array. You can copy wells in the form of an array. You can copy cuts in the form of an array. So as long as the situation is such that there's a linear copy in the X direction and a linear copy in the Y direction and a linear copy in the Z direction. And you can keep some of those 0 as well. So you might have a situation where the copying is only to be done in the X and Z directions, or only in the X directions. Then the Y and Z Z inputs will be 0. So a very handy and very quick way to create multiple copies in the orthogonal XYZ directions.